My name is John Iwodu. I want to introduce the principle of trisecting an angle by constructing angle 40 from 120 degrees.
Continue.
Using a compass and a ruler. First, you draw a straight line 120 degrees. Then a semicircle with the same radius. You bisect. So this line. So this angle now is 120 degrees, and this other angle is 60 degrees. So now I want to trisect 120 degrees. So you simply join the 2 points where the semicircle causes axis. Then you construct 90 degrees from this point. Where it touches the angle 60 line, you stop, and you project the line to this other point. So looking at this now, you have a 60 degrees triangle, equilateral triangle. So next thing now, you place your compass at this point, then draw your semicircle. Where it touches these two axes, project it down to this point, project it. After projecting the two lines, you find out that the distance from here to here is equal to distance from here to here, is equal to distance from here to here. So this angle 20 degree will be trisected into 3 equal parts. So if you want to obtain 40, so you simply from a point now you draw it. So now this is the 40 degrees.